So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh and you are watching Car with MS. So in this video we are going to make maxillary lateral incisor. Also you can follow me on Instagram. You can share your doubts there regarding the carvings. So subscribe to this channel if you are new. So let's begin. So first of all we will mark the sides such as buccal, distal, palatal and mesial on all the four sides of the block. After this we will make a 0.9 centimeter box for the crown, and then we will mark 5 on the cervical line and 6.5 on the incisal line, and we will join the points and a trapezoid will be formed. So I have done this on the other side. We will join the trapezoids and we will remove the wax from the either sides of the trapezoid. So it should look like in the figure shown. So the trapezoid is ready here. After this, mark the central lines. Also make one more line towards the buccal side of the central line. After this, on the mesial and the distal sides, mark 6 on the cervical line on both the sides. And then from that points we will mark the curvatures as shown in the figure. The convex surface is towards the buccal side, and on the palatal side make a S-shaped curvature as shown in the figure. Start the convex surface from the line drawn buccal to the central line. This will give us a little broad incisal edge. So after the marking is complete, we will start removing the wax. For this, first of all we will mark the cervical third area. We have to keep a bulge there. So we will start removing the wax above the line. We will remove the wax according to the shape we have marked. The palatal surface is almost complete here, you can see. And now we'll start with the buccal surface. Similarly mark the cervical third line and remove the wax above it. The palatal surface is little bit flat. After this we will converge the tooth towards the palatal side. You can see here in the figure, it should look like this from the incisal view. It is not sharp pointed, just keep a little rounded surface on the cervical third area for the cingulum. So you can see here it is done. Make the buccal surface a little bit flat and make it rounded at the edges. We will make the incisal edge a little bit thinner. So apply a little bit pressure with the cotton and clean the surface. And now we will start making the V-shaped fossa. Do the marking and slowly remove the wax inside the marking. It is not deep, just make a flat fossa. So we can see that the crown is almost completed. Some part is remaining that we will do at the last. So let's start with the root. So mark 1.3 centimeter for the root on all the four sides of the block. And then from the base we will mark the parallel lines towards the mesial and distal sides. We will make the parallel lines on the mesial and distal sides as shown. And then we will remove the wax from the buccal and palatal side. Remove the wax in the parallel manner as shown. From both the sides remove. Make it a flat surface. After this, mark the root on that flat surface. Mark it a little conical. And start removing the wax from the sides of that marked root. After this we'll make the edges smooth and rounded. The root is little bit converging towards the palatal side. The root is almost rounded, so make it round and little converging towards the palatal side. And it is converging towards the base as shown in the figure. Do the marking and start removing the wax. So I am removing the wax from the buccal and palatal side. After this, hold the tooth with the crown and slowly with the help of the cotton clean the surface. See to it that it does not break. After this we will tilt the tip of the root towards the distal side. For this we will remove slightly a little wax from the mesial side. You can see here in the figure, when we remove the wax from the mesial side, it looks like it is tilted towards the distal side. Also clean the base. So you can see here that the tip of the root is tilted towards the distal side. So after this we'll make the disto-incisal edge a little blunt. Do as shown here in the figure. So after this we will start marking the cervical line. Do the marking as shown here in the figure. So here is a trick for making the tooth shine. I used to do this when I was in the first year. I used to apply the sanitizer on the tooth. It is not compulsory to apply it, just to make it a little shining. Apply it carefully, see that the root does not break. So here is our maxillary lateral incisor. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and share this with your friends.